Oh, we can see you. Where is the baby dressed in yellow? Is she behind the yellow flowers? Peekaboo! We found you too.
Yeah, we got some light.
Where is the baby dressed in blue? Is he under the blue blanket? Peekaboo! He's a star in blue. Whoa!
Whoa!
Where is the baby dressed in green? Is she behind the green leaf? Peekaboo! We see you. Where is the baby dressed in rainbow? Is she behind the rainbow? You see? Peekaboo!
She likes her books. Hi, Elaine. You like your books? Yes, you do, don't you? You like your books. Well, she wants to see it again, maybe.